Okay, so the first example that we have in the book is find the value of x if 10 over 3 is to x is equal to 5 over 2 is to 5 over 4. Okay, no, you may wonder, yung naka-means and extremes siya o forma na naka-fraction tayo mali. Okay, pareha na tao na sila ha. It doesn't mean that even naka-fraction form na sila, di na siya form of means and extremes form. Pwede na yapon. Wala siya ay problema. Kung kanisan, pwede sana namang i-fraction form. Especially, kung mag-fraction form ka, especially if gamitin mo ang cross multiplication property. But since naka-means and extremes naman siya forma, let's just use the property of means and extremes property, which states that the product of the means is equal to the product of extremes. Now, by using the property, we have here the means of x and 5 over 2, and we also have the extremes of 10 over 3 and 5 over 4. Okay, apply the property. We have the product of the means, so that is x times 5 over 2 is equal to, okay, what are the extremes? So that is 10 over 3 over 5 over 4.
Posak dit, posak.
Okay, so by using the means extremes property, it states that the product of the means, kanina nasa duha sa sulod, is equal to the product of extremes. So that is x times 5 over 2 and 10 over 3 times 5 over 4. Now, okay, let's multiply. So x times 5 over 2, so that is 5 over 2x is equal to, o dito na, since it is a multiplication, when you multiply fractions, diretso ra, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. O pwede sa ka mag-simplify. Kung di ka mao, and then dito lang multiply. So 10 times 50, ay 10 times 5, that is 50, over 3 times 4, that is 12. Now we have 5 over 2, x is equal to 50 over 12. Okay, susunod natin. Okay, divide both sides by 5 over 2. Para maon sa man, ma-cancel out ang 5 over 2 ni x. Si x na lang mabilin. Divide both sides by 5 over 2. Divide by 5 over 2. Okay, cancel. O, cancel na. X na lang mabilin is equal to 50 over 12 divided by 5 over 2. Okay, yun sa na siya. Okay, by using reciprocal, di ba? In dividing with fractions, we are going to use the reciprocal of the denominator and then ang operation instead may himong division, may himo siyang multiplication. So instead of division, himo multiplication. Basta ato i-reciprocate ang denominator na 5 over 2. So that is 50 over 12 times 2 over 5. Okay, nga nga times? That is because ang 5 over 2 ato i-reciprocate into 2 over 5. Nasabtan na? Once we reciprocate the denominator, ang mahitabo na is instead sa divide, may muna siyang multiply. So that is x is equal to, okay, for this time, pwede na tayo mag-simplify. Ato yung simplify daan pa, di na tayo mag-simplify sa atong final answer. 50 and 5 can be simplified. Kung sa common factor ni 50 and 5, that is 5. So, cancel si 5, cancel si 50, si 5 ay mo 1. Nasabtan? Because the GCF is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. Una pa yun siya na-cancel. Si 2 and si 12. The common factor is 2. Na-cancel si 2, may mo 1. So, 12, may mo 6. Okay, very good. So, that is 10 times 1 is 10. And 6 times 1 is 6. Kita? And 10 over 6 can be written into, naman, 10 over 6 can be written into 5 over 3. So this is the value of x, which is 5 over 3. Okay, let's check. Let's check if the value of x is equal to 5 over 3. Wag yun. Okay, ito check. So that is 10 over 3 is to, ilagay itong x, 5 over 3 is equal to 5 over 2 times, ay is to 5 over 4. So we have 10 over 3 is to 5 over 3. Kaya ito nag-ilisa na itong x. Diba? And is equal to 5 over 2 is to 5 over 4. Okay. Sabi gamitin ito. Katagipon. Means and extremes. At i-multiply si means. Multiply ito sa extremes. Kung may equal ang duha, therefore, the value of our x is correct. So we have 5 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 2 is equal to 10 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 4. So the 5 over 3 and 5 over 2 are the means. So the product of this one should be equal to the product of the extremes kanina sa gawas. So we have 5 times 5. So we have 25 over bilang 6. Okay. Tara. Is equal to 10 times 5. 50. 3 times 4. 12. Okay. Final answer ni? Okay, dili pa. Okay nga naman, because 50 over 12 can still be reduced. The common factor for these two numbers is 2. So we write 25 over x is equal to 50 divided by 2 is 25 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So therefore, the value of our x is correct. Okay, nasabtan ka? Oh, this is just another way in solving the value of x. So instead, using cross multiplication, ato gigamit ang means and extremes property. Okay, the same ang yung nag answer. Since sa inyong file na may ways how to solve katong atong example kani ang gigamit nila is cross multiplication property. So that is why akong gigamit is means and extremes property para nasa mo laing choice. Laing choice para pag-solve sa value of x. Okay.